Sharing. When data needs to be shared with different teams or other organizations, certain protocols should be put in place to avoid unnecessary disclosure of personal and sensitive data. Let's look at how this fictional organization protects shared data. A humanitarian organization, Aid First, launches a water, sanitation, and hygiene or WASH promotion project to help families in the drought and civil war-affected communities in Cape Ruvania. By virtue of a data sharing agreement, the organization can share collected data with other aid actors also providing aid to the affected communities. Data Protection Officer Alex and his team review the provisions of the agreement before sharing any data. To confirm the legal basis for sharing, they also review the details they previously discussed with the data subjects when obtaining consent, including the what, why, how much, and to whom data will be shared. The team ensures that they are only sharing the minimum amount of specific data sets based on a predefined specific purpose, in accordance with the General Data Protection Regulation principles on purpose limitation and data minimization. The team weighs the benefits and risks of sharing the data and ensures that all actors involved sign data sharing agreements. To further protect the data internally and externally, the team mandates that different versions of data sets are created that may only be accessed by different sets of people based on their roles and functions. Personal and sensitive data is sent through secure channels to prevent unwanted leakage of information. Passwords to protect files and USB drives are used when low connectivity prevents access to the organization's online storage tool. With sufficient data protection controls, Alex and his team help ensure that data sharing promotes effective collaboration among aid actors.